Good day, everyone. Your Sock Monkey here. Today I've got a video for you of a 2010 Toyota Tacoma. This is a very simply a work truck edition. Regular cab, two-wheel drive, has the 2.7 liter inline four-cylinder. Your sealed bead headlamps, doesn't have the Toyota badge right here, but that's easily rectified. You can definitely tell this is had been very well used as a work truck. Painted wheels on this model. Has glue like it had a trade name on it at one point. Unfortunately, it is locked, but there's not much to see in here. Have the stereo system, air conditioning controls, automatic transmission, 4-speed. Very simple stuff here. Does have a cap and various cabinets on here. ARE cab, which is a very popular brand. You have another, this here, and you have, looks like some shelving back here in this, and then Toyota Tacoma, of course, ARE. More cabinets, a ladder rack up top. Just a basic get your own work truck. It's all very nice. Thank you for watching. Take care.